I believe in divine guidance, and I know that underneath are the everlasting arms. If God is our refuge, why is it that we refuse to avail ourselves of this divine security? The psalmist tells us that the Lord is nigh unto all them that call upon them, in truth. This can have but one meaning. We cannot call upon God in truth unless we enter into the divine nature in truth. That is, we cannot expect love to become hate, nor peace to enter into confusion. If we would call upon God in truth, we must become like the truth. This is the seemingly unfathomable mystery of the infinite, invisible essence that surrounds us. Jesus tells us that if we abide in Him, then His words will abide in us, and we shall ask for anything that we will, and it shall be done unto us. The everlasting arms are beneath, but they bear us up only when we enter into the truth. The Quran tells us that God increases our guidance once we have guidance. This is the mystical way of saying that if we believe in divine guidance, then we will be divinely guided. Act as though I am, and I will be. Believe, and it shall be done unto you. Today I believe in divine guidance. Today I believe that underneath are the everlasting arms. Today I rest in this divine assurance and this divine security. I know that not only all is well with my soul, my spirit, and my mind, all is well with my affairs.